Bit, can you try that one? If it still work. This one. If it still work. Tagala, can you? Or no? Unbelievable sign. Beatbox. I love it. I want it. I want that one. Because it's pink. You know, I love pink. Unbelievable sign. I love pink. And I will love that one. It's my favorite. Tigas ng English ko. Snitch, hello. Real tiger, hello. This is my favorite gift ever. Hello. Good morning, guys. Ivy, hello. Unbelievables. And just try to feeling. Soon trembling for it. Let your heart decide a whole new world. Later, after my life, I will call my sister Jisoo. And I ask, reply message inbox. Inbox? Wala naman akong natatanggap. And you fantastic. Ay, sabi ko pa naman, hindi na ako magla-live. Magla-live bukas. Uy, Scout, kain mo na ibagsak. Bukas wala na ako. Ay, wala ako. Sino? A whole world. It's crystal clear. Ang bagsak ko na lang sa account mo. Pwede ba yun? Gusto ko kasi yung nakikita ko. 938. Hello. 938676885. Hello. Ay, 90 pag bisado ko na yung pangalan. Pwede bang bagsakan mo ako? Ay, alam ko na. I will set you as my admin. I will set you as my admin bit. Para hindi ka na makatakas sa akin. Ganun dapat. Sinasend yung ang mga nagpapagsak, sinasend as admin para may tagabantay. Beats your mic. Wala na si Beat. Sabi niya, sana hindi ko na lang siya sinet na as admin. Wait! Ayan tuloy. Umalis.